Welcome to Preston property launch video for 34 Church Lane in Poppleton. We're delighted to welcome to the market this fantastic 5-bed detached family home in the heart of the village. The current sellers bought the property in 2018 and have since renovated the entire house from top to bottom to a high specification. Here we are in the spacious breakfast kitchen with fantastic top of the range Smeg cooker with 7-burner hob and double oven. The breakfast kitchen gives access to the open hallway with doors off to the ground floor WC, spacious utility room and further to the family room. Here we are in the beautiful family room, which as you can see has vaulted ceilings with exposed beams, a beautiful view to the rear of the property and double doors to the outside. The room also benefits from underfloor heating. This versatile dining space boasts ample room for an 8-seat dining table and chairs and houses a stunning inglenook fireplace with cast iron stove. The impressive ground floor master ensuite bedroom with dual aspect windows gives access to the spacious shower room and walk-in wardrobe. On the first floor we have bedroom 2, which is a large double with solid wood fitted furniture and ensuite shower room. Here we are in the luxury family bathroom, fully tiled from floor to ceiling with his and hers vanity basin unit, bath with shower over, heated towel rail and plenty of storage. Bedroom 3 is also a large double with an entire wall of fitted furniture. Here we are in bedroom 4, which is another excellent double and as much like the rest of the property has beautifully fitted brand new wooden shutter blinds.